Hello again everybody, welcome to eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Prime box break number 21. Here's the last team for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number is NE1890275550. Let's get on with this break. Best of luck, everybody. Hopefully I can pull something nice out of here. Here we go. Start with the base card for the Predators of Pekka Rinne, 53/249. Here for the Senators, it's Prime Rookies Quad Jersey and Auto of Cameron Gauntz, number 53/199. Have a Prime Combos for the Blues of Yaroslav Halak and Brian Elliott, number 98/225. Nice hit here for the Rangers. It's a Prime Namesakes card of Tim Erickson, number 13/75. And we have a beautiful hit here for the Sabres, Jonas Enroth, number 2/3. And the NHL Premier cards. Beautiful hit for the Sabres. Beautiful patch, number 2/3. Nice hit. And we have a Prime Combos Duel for the Pens of Simone Duprise and Jordan Stahl, number 176/225. And then to finish it off, a base card for the Avalanche of Patrick Waugh, number 72/249. Let's show that one hit again for the Sabres. Beautiful hit, number 2/3 of Jonas Enroth. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.